Today, we're using the Wainlux K8 Pro laser engraver to engrave an in-house stencil design called Bone Under Stove onto a metal keychain plate. Let's get started. First, we open CutLabX and upload our Bone Under Stove design. Using the built-in camera on the Wainlux K8 Pro, we precisely align the design with the metal keychain plate. Once the alignment looks good, we're ready to set up the engraving parameters. For this engraving, we set the laser power to 80%, speed to 500 millimeters per minute, and engraving times to 2 passes to ensure a deep and clean engraving. Now let's start the engraving process. Watch as the Wainlux K8 Pro precisely etches the Bone Under Stove design onto the metal keychain. The dual-pass engraving ensures deeper markings and a high-contrast finish. Here's the final result. The engraving is crisp and detailed, making this metal keychain a unique custom piece. With the Wainlux K8 Pro, custom metal engraving is easy and precise. Let us know what you'd engrave next in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more laser engraving content.